Which of the following position is selected for lift dumpers on the landing approach? A. Off. B. Manual. C. Automatic. D. Deployed. The correct answer is automatic. Which of the following spoilers are used for descent control? A. Inboard spoilers. B. Outboard spoilers. C. Mid-span spoilers. D. Fixed spoilers. The correct answer is inboard spoilers. How is the airspeed affected in a descent without spoilers? A. Set to 0. B. No effect. C. Decreased. D. Increased. The correct answer is increased. What is the combination of spoilers and ailerons called? A. Airfoilers. B. Spoilerons. C. Spoilerons. D. Spoils. The correct answer is spoilerons. The VSI is also called as A. Vinometer. B. Radiometer. C. Barometer. D. Variometer. The correct answer is variometer. What is the full form of VFR? A. Visual Flight Rules. B. Visual Flying Rules. C. Virtual Flight Rules. D. Virtual Flying Rules. The correct answer is Visual Flight Rules. Spoilers increase the lift component of an airfoil. A. False. B. True. C. D. The correct answer is false. By correcting the indicated airspeed for non-standard temperature and pressure, we obtain airspeed. A. Actual. B. Virtual. C. True. D. Relative. The correct answer is true.